Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to drop decimal places in Microsoft Excel without the need to round. So if the sum of all these numbers is important, you don't want to actually round any of the numbers, but you don't want to display all of these crazy decimals, this tutorial will be for you. So you can apply this on a cell by cell basis, or you could do the whole column if you want, or the worksheet. But I'm going to just do the entire D column here. So I'm going to go up, left click on D to select the entire column. I'm going to right click on D now. So just right click on D, and then I'm going to go ahead and left click on Format Cells. Now you want to left click on the Currency tab, and for decimal places, if you want to set it to 2, you're welcome to, or you could do 0 decimal places, however many you want to be shown. So let's say I don't want any decimals here. I'm going to left click on OK. You can see it no longer shows any decimals. But if you actually click on the number, so let's say this 89 right here, you can see up in the top formula bar, it shows the full value of what the cell is. So it's really a nice little trick so you're not cluttering up your worksheet here. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.